Hi, folks. I am really enjoying your work this week, and I want to tell you about something that can make it easier for your readers' brains to follow with the flow of your writing. Okay, so I spent my day cleaning the bathroom, the dishes, and prepping for class. You know, if I was just talking to you, exactly what I spent my day doing, right? You also see I've got 3 items in a list: cleaning the bathroom, the dishes, and prepping for class. So I separated them with commas. I know I'm supposed to do that. But here's where a reader's brain slows down. I've got cleaning the bathroom. That's a very clear activity. I've got prepping for class. No problem there. And the dishes is a different form than the other two. To make it a parallel construction, which is something that brains really like. Let's do this. To make it a parallel construction, let's do this. We're looking for an ing. I'm ing, little word, noun. Ing, little word, noun. So what am I doing to the dishes? Am I knitting the dishes? Am I stacking the dishes? It's obvious from my intent that I'm cleaning the dishes. So let's use a different word that means the same thing. How about scrubbing? Scrubbing the dishes and prepping for class. I spent my day cleaning the bathroom, scrubbing the dishes, and prepping for class. Those 3 pieces have parallel construction, and it is easier for the reader's brains to follow because you've set up an expectation. Now, what if there isn't another good word that I could have used here for scrubbing? You were cleaning the bathroom, you were cleaning the dishes, and prepping for class. Okay. There's another way around this, and it's different from parallel construction. What you're trying to say is that this verb applies to both the bathroom and the dishes. So let's write it that way. Cleaning the bathroom and dishes and prepping for class. I'm going to take out that comma because I'm not making a list of 3 things. There's only 2. And cleaning is the lead of one phrase. And prepping is the lead for the next phrase. It's a little harder to parse. I might have to stop and say, wait a minute, what and what? Cleaning and prepping, because dishes is a little bit far from cleaning. But if there was no other word you could have subbed in for cleaning, it is just fine. Cleaning the bathroom and dishes and prepping for class. No comma required. If I want my reader to maybe take a little breath, I would give a long dash, a double dash. So that would sound like, I spent my day cleaning the bathroom and dishes and prepping for class. I might even set that off with parentheses if I was, apparently it's time to prep for class. Whoa. If I wanted to sort of whisper it, I spent my day cleaning the bathroom and dishes and prepping for class. So 2 different ways of handling that sentence that was clear in meaning when I went back and read it the second time. But that's the thing. We don't want people to have to go back and read it the second time. Make it nice and smooth. Thank you so much.